What if I told you there's a hidden city in the jungle, filled with 2,000-year-old temples, and no one's allowed inside? Well, Jimmy and his team just broke the rules, and what they found will blow your mind. Jimmy and the crew are dropped off deep in the jungle, right in front of a mysterious Mayan temple. They're standing in a place even archaeologists aren't allowed to go, uncovering secrets that have been buried for centuries. First big reveal? A 1,000-year-old funerary mask from the Snake Kingdom, yeah. The one Jimmy's probably not supposed to be touching. Inside the temple, it's a maze of traps, tunnels, and ancient mysteries. The team crawls through booby-trapped passageways. Turns out the Mayans really didn't want visitors. They uncover pyramids built in layers, each older than the last, with carvings of gods, jaguars, and what looks like a toilet. It's actually an earring. Nolan got confused. The creepiest moment? A sacred cave where Mayans believed humans were born from a magic tree. Spoiler. It's just a very weird rock formation. Then things get intense. In a pitch-black cave, a swarm of bats surrounds them. One even poops on Nolan. The final boss? A massive spider guarding a tunnel so sketchy they noped out fast. Why do I keep doing things in videos that could kill me? Jimmy mutters, clearly questioning all his life decisions. They switch gears and play pitz, the world's first team sport where losers literally lost their heads. No pressure. The climax? The legendary temple of Kukulkan, a certified seventh wonder of the world. Clap your hands and the pyramid echoes like a laser gun. Science or sorcery? You decide. They send a drone to the forbidden top chamber. But it's empty. Thanks, Spanish looters. So was it worth almost dying? Pros: mind-blowing history, non-stop action, and Jimmy's priceless reactions. Cons: bats. Endless bats. Final rating? 9.5 out of 10. Docked half a point for no treasure unless you count Feastables peanut butter cups. Love ancient mysteries, jungle adventures, and watching Nolan scream? This one's a must-watch. Oh, and Jimmy's giving away $500,000 to 10 random subscribers. Just saying.